Hi guys, it's Michelle from Bead and Wire Beading. I'm sure you guys are wondering where part 3 is of our purse charm, our chunky charm. I do apologize, I had a couple other projects going on, but I have completed the purple and lavender and pink bag charm. Here it is. It's pretty heavy. The majority of these beads are glass beads. I did incorporate some acrylic beads into this. I usually don't, but I had some that were very, very cute and I couldn't resist. So like this one is acrylic. These crystal looking ones are acrylic. Some of them are Jesse James beads that I incorporated in here. And I've added a couple little charms throughout. So I wanted to show you guys, I went ahead and dug out all my charms and I pulled out some that I might want to work into this purse charm. But I have tons of silver charms. This is just a little portion of them. And if you guys saw my previous video, I had the Hobby Lobby haul. All those charms that I purchased that were on clearance. I have all those to choose from as well. And this is not all of them, believe me. But we're just going to work with the few that I have out here. So I went ahead and attached the little heart bling. So I always like hearts and stars, and I always put a little angel on mine. This is a larger angel that I made. I think this one will be probably too big for the scale of this, but I do have a couple smaller ones. So this one will probably be the one we're going to use to hang from our purse charm. I like the Eiffel Towers. These are so cute. And I really don't have a theme going on this particular chunky charm, but I'm going to add some things to it just to bling it out a little bit. I do love all the keys, like locks and keys. Here's one, for example, that I like. I have several of those. This one's a really cute charm. This one is a pretty dragonfly, but it is pretty large for this scale. So I don't think we'll use that. I do like the crosses. Have a couple crosses out. This one is very pretty. I have some butterflies. Put this down. Have some butterflies. I have a tassel charm, or a little tassel made out of chain. I have some of these hearts. There's another cross and another cross. There's an angel. I have this little ring. Looks like a little diamond ring. It's a little charm. I thought that was cute, but I don't know if I'll use all this. I just pulled them out just to get some sort of idea. I always put a Made with Love charm on my items, just kind of like a signature of my goods. I have a couple other charms here, some stars, a heart, a flower. I did attach a lotus flower to the bottom, and I thought that came out pretty well. And I did find a lotus flower, a smaller one, in my charms. So I don't know if we're going to use that one or not. That might not be a lotus flower, sorry, I don't know my flowers. But this is the lotus flower that I attached to the bottom. And I do have a couple of them from the Hobby Lobby clearance that I picked up. So these are more of the scale that that we're probably looking for this particular charm. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this one from the package, and we'll probably hang this one somewhere. So what I like to do, I'm just going to attach a couple of these so you guys can see. So on the ends of the beads, you will see there's the eye from the eye pin. And that's where I usually try to hook a couple charms in various places. So I did attach a little dangle to a dangle on this one. And I added the little angel wings here. If you look at these really closely and you keep looking at them, you can always find a little something something that I added. So there's some angel wings. I don't know if you could see them or not. I thought those were very cute. And then I added a little AB heart. And I added, so far, there is an AB heart, and then there is also an AB little star. Oh, here we go. So just throughout the whole piece, I like to add a little extras here and there, and that way it gives it more interest. So I'm going to go ahead and attach my little angel charm. So we're just going to take, we could use our little ring. Just going to take a jump ring, and we'll open it up. Make sure you twist it one way and twist the other side the opposite way. Open it up and attach your charm, and then you want to find a place to put it. So I like to add these kind of close to the top just because I want this to be seen. So I'll just go ahead and place it right here for now. And if I find later on that I don't like it in that position, I can always take it off and reposition it somewhere else. So then we go ahead and close our jump ring. And there you have it. You have your little angel. Isn't that cute? So for the rest of the charms, I'm not going to add a lot. I just want to add a little bit more. I'm going to hang it on my little hanger. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but I'm going to go ahead and attach a couple, and then we can I can turn it so you guys can see. So again, I'm going to use 2 pliers for this. Open your jump ring, and I'm going to do my Made with Love little heart. And this one is a 2-sided charm. So either way you look at it, it's going to say Made with Love. So I'll go ahead and attach that one close to the top as well. I like it to be seen. And if I change my mind, I can always remove it and put it somewhere else. All right, so let's do, I kind of want one of these keys, and I want to do one of these hearts for sure. And then we'll put our lotus flower on here as well. Let's do our lotus flower next. So we'll open up our jump ring, twisting. So this lotus flower, I am going to attach it to one of the eyes on the bottom of one of the charms, one of the dangles. So I think I'm going to put it right here. And you can kind of feel this kind of click together when they're touching, so that way you know it's nice and secure. So here's our little lotus flower. It's attached to our beautiful handmade Indonesian bead. Isn't that cute? So you can use your imagination on these. You can add whatever you like, or you can be more simplistic and not add as many things as I have. Sometimes I can go overboard. Sometimes I will go back and look at it later and say, oh, that's way too much, and then I'll start taking things off. But for now, we are going to add and see how it turns out. I'm going to add this little heart charm on this one. And I'm going to do one more. Oh, it's hard to see. This one's going to slip away from me. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the giveaway. I want to get more subscribers. I want to get to the 200 mark subscribers, and I will give away this chunky charm. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I do invite you to subscribe, and you will be in the drawing for the chunky charm giveaway. Let's do one more, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. I'm just randomly picking a spot. Let's do it right here. And this is one of the keys, the skeleton keys that I like so much. And we'll close that. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at it. Kind of give it a jiggle and it kind of falls into place. It is so gorgeous, guys. I'm sure it doesn't show up on camera, but in person this thing is really, really beautiful. There's a lot of beads here. So there's our angel and my made with love little heart. It's right there. Here's the lotus flower that we attached. Here is the little key, the skeleton key with the design on top. Here's the largest lotus flower on the bottom. I thought that looks really cute hanging from the bottom. Here is the little simple heart charm that I hooked onto that. Very cute. And with all these charms that I have here, you can just go crazy adding things to this, but you don't want to go too much. Sometimes it starts to look a little tacky. But anyway, I will come back on in a couple days and I will have a better position for the chunky charm. I'll have it on the hanger and I'll have the camera positioned so you guys can see it better. But once again, we are going to give away this beautiful chunky charm made of glass beads, made of Jesse James beads, made of some acrylic beads. And a lucky winner will receive this if we get to 200 subscribers. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and we will learn to bead together. So I hope you guys enjoyed the part 3 and the final, and I will come on and give an update in a couple days and show you the charm again and have it hanging on the hanger so you could see it in more detail. So again, thanks for watching. Have a blessed evening, and please subscribe and comment. I love to read your comments. Thanks again.